What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do an oil change on the Honda Groom, and here I have the oil, which this is what Honda of Japan recommends, 5W30, and it's exactly 1 liter, as much as we need. Here we have, it's kind of to put the oil in just because I live in an apartment and it needs this to change the oil so I don't make a mess of it. And the 17mm ratchet on the oil drain plug is right there. So we crack that open, and then we fill it from over here. You can also you can clean the filter over here, but I'm not gonna do that just because it takes a little bit more time and I'm kind of busy right now, so I'm just gonna change that oil over there and just fill the new one in. So let's crack that open first. Okay, so now we got the oil in the bag. I just tied it down and now we're just gonna fill it up, and that's basically the oil change on a Honda Groom. Hope that helps. And now we just check the level on the dipstick, and we just started the vehicle, just to check functionality and everything is good, no strange noises or anything like that, and just for the oil residue there to burn off from the exhaust, because we don't want that, right? And also to check from the drain plug over there to see if it's tight. I did tighten it, so that's good. It's also a good idea to give it like a double tightness check. To ride it a little bit and make sure it's still tight so it doesn't get loose. So that's also a good idea to do. But that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.